Let's talk about working with Excel files. So we have a customer who receives Excel files via email, and what he wants to do, he wants to make Excel file format consistent. So we just look at the file. See, this is one. Is another, and he wants to rename the sheets for every single file within directory, and for example call it data. So we have a separate action for working with sheets called rename sheet, and we have a problem here because we don't know the exact name. So we have to calculate it somehow. So what we can do, we can use loop files action to loop over all the files within directory. Let me just select file, update the mask. Sounds easy. Okay, and we also need to set the variable loop value. Should be file name in our case. But what we can do after that, we can save piece of sheets inside into the file. So it is variable, file name is static, let's call it okay, and then what we can do, we can load a load variable from the file. So it will be, let's call it copy the file name, in the file, and now we can rename it. So data, let's copy the file name. So value, this variable, so variable, static. Okay, let's try to run it and see what happens. Fingers crossed. Okay, it failed. So why it failed? Execution log, what we have here. Yeah, so what we need to do, we need to trim it because it has the file has a file character. So let's trim it. Again, it's rather easy thing to do. We just use calculation. get variable. We need to trim it again. Trim it. Okay, looks fine to me. Okay, let's run it again and see what happens. Done, fantastic. Now what we can do, we can close loop, run it again, and let's check the result. As you can see, everything is renamed. Fantastic. Check another one. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.